One of the most underrated aspects of Singapore is its nature. Nature is given utmost importance in Singapore. Many outsiders think Singapore is just a concrete jungle, but
It is not.
actually it's city in gardens. There are many parks, reservoirs in Singapore. Today we came to Yishun Park. This place would be a surprise to many. When you stand in the middle of the park with tall trees, noise of insects, animals like mountain lizards around you, you get a feeling as if you're in the jungle. If you're lucky, sometimes you might spot wild boars, and if you're not lucky, you might spot snakes also.
Then which side will go?
Enjoy watching the video.
Stop recording.
Tell me.
Come here.
1 second. Squirrel at the squirrel, you see? Squirrel.
Where will you go, Kali?
Hmm?
Where will you go, Kali? Chicken.
Chicken.
This is this way.
Oh, one more is there beside there.
This is one way view. Go near it.
That's it. There is one more. It's always I see three. Pack of
We go
three.
near this one way. One way. There we can.
Where? Yeah, that's even better place. చూడు చెట్లు ఎంత పెద్దగా ఉన్నాయో.
All these
At
trees
least
are too
100,
huge.
150 feet
Probably they are
diameter.
100 to 150 feet long.
No more, right? What is it, Ra?
We spotted a mountain lizard.
Hello. We spotted an animal.
It's kind of wild animal, but it's not that dangerous at all unless you provoke it.
Bigger snake.
No, it's not snake. It's monitor lizard.
This is very dangerous, but this is no poaching of animals. That means animals are everywhere. No poaching.
No, don't go near it.
Why?
You are going near it, Ra.
This is picture of it.
It's monitor lizard.
Come here.
Looking for some food, I guess. Oh, look at his tongue.
Listen to those sounds. Maybe they are creatures or some kind of insects, but I feel I'm in the middle of a jungle. Usually we get such sounds only in jungles or when we are in some kind of wild places.
Come.
చూసారుగా ఎక్కడ చూసిన చెట్లు
Again here.
చెట్లు
Here. Trees are moving everywhere.
నాకైతే అడవిలో వెళ్తున్నట్టుంది.
Again, we found one more mountain lizard.
Spotted a big
This
mountain
one is
lizard here.
much bigger. Probably it has more than 1 meter in length.
It's just going that side.
Nothing going here. Nothing going here.